in their little home there. I have everything set up here. This is a kitchen. They're gonna be here till like for, I don't know, a few days, if not a little bit more, just to be safe. They're going to the vet on Monday. It's now Saturday. Here we have some water, some milk, some wet food mixed in with milk, a little toy for them to play with, but they're probably still too young. We have a little litter box, little litter box. The box they came in, a little scratcher so they can move around a little bit. And this tunnel so they can just, I don't know, exercise, play a little, and they're inside there. They're now asleep. The orange one has already eaten a little bit. And I'm gonna let them have a little bit of peace, and then I will check back later. Day 2. I'm feeling way happier with them in their progress today, because I was getting a bit worried yesterday because the male was not eating at all or drinking, but today we accomplished to make him eat something, some wet food, and they were also not going to their litter box, but today they went to the litter box and they pooped a lot. You can tell that they have a notion of digging and covering their tracks. They're very active, they're very playful. They can barely stand on their legs, right? But yeah, they've eaten and they've pooped and peed, and it's all good. They had 2 little accidents in the night outside of the litter box, which I cleaned up, and one of the poops I picked up and put on the litter box, and then after they ate, they went in and did their business. They are very clever. They know what they're doing. Nature is perfect. We're at the vet. They're both super scared. They were hiding. They were hiding a lot behind furniture and stuff. They didn't want to come. So yeah, let's get them checked. You're so lovely, babies. The vet's gonna love you.